God's message today. I don't want you to seek revenge. Revenge rots your soul, and the only person who is happy about it is the devil. Don't make the devil happy. I love you, and I will restore you. Devil says, you have disappointed God too many times, give up. But God says, I knew everything you would do before you were born and still called you. I'm not finished with you, believe in me, I am your God. The devil doesn't want you to pray because he knows it limits him. Your prayers are powerful. Keep praying. Pray, not until God hears you, but until you listen to God. Dear God, if today I lose my hope, please remind me that your plans are better than my dreams. The pain you have been feeling can't compare to the joy that is coming. A prayer for healing. Loving Father, touch me now with your healing hands, for I believe that your will is for me to be well in mind, body, soul, and spirit. Cover me with the most precious blood of your Son, our Lord, Jesus Christ, from the top of my head to the soles of my feet.